So we've come to the conclusion that everything he touches turns to gold. So when the legend says that he's launching a Riddim, you don't ask, you just turn up.
Usain Bolt launches some brand new ventures and we're here to find out what's popping.
This is Usain Bolt, bigging up dancehall, representing Olympia Rose Riddim to the world. Hey team, what them think? Straight Olympia Rose we drink.
Ball for life. You know man a ball for life. I miss a champagne living. You know man a ball for life.
You see him both pull up that.
This Riddim gonna tell the whole place. Why champagne, why music?
You know, I've been a part of my career over the years, the music has always been a part of it, you understand? And the idea come about we're doing the champagne, I'm like, yo, party vibe. You know, I come try a Riddim, I put a Riddim together and launch it together. So that's how the idea came along and now we put it together and this is the production.
I saw you just like a big drink of that champagne, how it tastes? Awesome. Usain Bolt is a magical person, he's just blessed by God.
So we do it, so we do it, so we do it.
I like them keep it at 5. So every DJ now have no excuse but to play every song. Catch up on the next Riddim.
Groundbreaking, I think it's dope that he's always diversifying what he's doing and pairing together celebration with music. Dancehall music is all about celebration, it's all about having a good time. And that's when we pop champagne, right?
Gangster as well, go on. They're there, bro. We're free now. You're there on the Riddim, let them know what you think about the whole venture. You know, remember say Usain Bolt a selector, you know. It's about the inspiration of your song behind the Riddim. Now then get a link on the weekend, you know. Regular. I just buy my entertainment. I put life into music and the tourist board need to pay us. It's a nice setup. It's a good look.
It's a crazy, man. Remember, you know, A-Team, the lifestyle, it's prime time.
It's not just the Riddim, but the whole movement of everything. Endorsing his own champagne into the industry.
See that we are top of the top. Yeah. Yo dog, we are top of the top. Yeah. It's a setup.
So we do it, so we do it, so we do it. So we do it, so we do it, 7 days of the way.
Alright, right now we're there with the producer for the Riddim. Plugs, first of all, what's the feedback been so far from this one? This gone, the biggest thing today? Yeah, definitely. From running laps to running musical tracks. Usain Bolt, Olympia Rose. Cheers.
That's the thing that every girl want taste the Olympia. That's the thing.